Alright, here we are. Got that C-channel welder down there. Gonna get the rack installed now. Here we are, mounting up the middle cross brace.
Drop it.
Hold on. Hold on. There. Smack it. there we have it, looking pretty. Yeah, beautifulness. This is that one car that looks good no matter how you set it. Lowrider, stock, racing wheels. Look at that beautifulness right there. I tell you what. Now time for the LS. Of course, we still got to put the sway bar back on. Put some new linkages. We upgrade the spindles. Upgrade the brakes. Got to weld that up right there. Put the shocks back on, which we're gonna do once the engine's out, so I could get a good weld from the inside. Hydraulics are already done. We're juiced up and down, hoppity hoppity. Had a little mishap. So what had happened was, my son didn't want to mess up the threads on these hoses right here, so I had told him just put them hand tight, and that I was gonna go ahead and come back and just give him the little snuggaroony. So that's kind of how those, what are they called? Oil. Yeah, I gotta clean all that. The JICs. So it's like these hoses right here, when you connect them, you want to just go hand tight, as per Alex and Hoppos, which has worked for me to have no leaks. What you do is you go hand tight, and once you're hand tight, you go quarter turn, and that's all you need, and you never get no leaks. And it makes sense because once you start cranking on them, you know, you start bending that seat that's right there. So anyways, he went ahead and just put them hand tight, and when we were bleeding out the system, you know, when I go hit the switch up, and I didn't even know he was on the driver's seat, and he was just hitting that switch up trying to bleed it out. Meanwhile, we're having a show back here all over the damn place, and looked like I had already finished cleaning it, but you know, you're gonna get more settling down. Okay. There we go. So all these purple wires right here that I had mentioned on one of the other videos was for your dimmer. So when you're when you turn on your headlights, they dim down. That's what it was. So let me show you. When I press the brake, my turn signals turn on. Why? Because I tapped into the left and to the right, but I tapped into the rear left and right. So I get that. Gotta fix that up. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, careful now. Why did you do that? Did I break it? No. No? Where's the clip from that? I said we're a family, damn it. Nope. I didn't reach to that. Speakers. The rears are not wired up. Okay. Oh, dang it. Okay. I wired up 6x9s.